Normal bacterial flora or the normal human microbiome. So we know that the normal human microbiome, that is the collective aggregate, that is the aggregate of all the microbiota that resides on or within the human tissues. And not only the tissues, that is also in the biofluids also. And that is corresponding to their anatomical sites. Okay, so these includes different body parts like skin, mammary gland, seminal fluid, uterus, ovarian follicles, lungs, saliva, oral mucosa, conjunctiva, gastrointestinal tract. This way, the different microbiota, different bacteria, fungi, archaebacteria, protists, viruses, they all reside on our human body and different animals also. Here we are dealing with the human microflora, and specifically we are taking care of the bacterial flora here. So in this slide we will see the distribution of microbes. So firstly we will see what are the different what are the different organs where we will look for these organisms, these microbes. So in this we will see the name of the organ, human organ, body part, and corresponding bacteria in that specific body part. So firstly we can see we will be looking for skin, axilla and groin, conjunctiva, external ear, mouth, nose and nasopharynx, large intestine, ileum, urethra and vagina. So let's start with this. Firstly we will see the skin. So in the on the skin, Staphylococcus epidermidis and Micrococcus species, Corynebacterium. These are the three bacteria which will be present. Coming to the axilla and the groin area, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Corynebacterium species are present. Then coming to the conjunctiva. If the conjunctiva is seen, there most prominent bacteria present are the Staphylococcus epidermidis, Corynebacterium species, Haemophilus influenzae, and Neisseria species. Coming to the external ear will have Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Corynebacterium species as their normal flora. Coming to the mouth, in the oral part, mouth part, Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Micrococcus species, Corynebacterium species, Lactobacterium species, Bacteroides, and Neisseria. They are commonly present as the inhabitant. Coming to the nose and nasopharynx. In the nose and nasopharynx, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Corynebacterium species, Haemophilus species, and Neisseria species. These are prominently present as a normal microflora. Coming to the large intestine and ileum. So gastrointestinal tract plays very important habitat as a very important habitat for the normal flora. So the bacteria which are present in the large intestine and ileum are Staphylococcus, Lactobacillus species, Clostridium species, Bacteroid species, Fusobacterium species, Escherichia coli, Proteus species, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Mycoplasma, yeast, and Candida. So these all are present in the large intestine and the ileum. Coming to the urethra. In the urethral area, the bacteria which are present are Acinetobacter species, Mycobacterium species, Mycoplasma, and Candida. So this way we have seen different type of bacteria present in the different habitats. Now coming to the vagina, that is also playing a very important habitat role for the bacteria to grow. So in this we will classify it into the two stages. Firstly between puberty and menopause, and that is before puberty. So between puberty and menopause, the bacteria which are present in the vaginal area are Lactobacillus, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Corynebacterium, Clostridium, and Fusobacterium species. And before puberty, the bacteria which are present in the vaginal area are Staphylococcus epidermidis, Micrococcus species, Corynebacterium species, and Enterobacterium species. So this way we have seen the whole distribution of the bacteria present in the different body parts of the human. So these are the normal flora which are present in the human, and specifically we have seen here the bacteria. So this way we have seen all the bacteria, the distribution of the bacteria in the different distribution of these bacteria in the different body parts. whether it is skin, whether it is axilla, whether or the groin, whether it is conjunctiva, whether it is external ear, mouth, nose, gastrointestinal tract, urethra, and vaginal area. Okay, so this way we can see all the examples with the different body parts. Thank you.